In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove component Figma. Delete a component in Figma. If you've ever cleaned up a design system or simplified a file, you've probably needed to remove a component. Today we'll focus on deleting a main component and what that means for your file, your assets panel, and any instances already on the canvas. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see both your canvas and the layers panel. The key here is to make sure you are targeting the main component, not just an instance. Main components are marked with a solid purple diamond icon next to their name in the layers panel and on the canvas. Instances, on the other hand, show a hollow diamond. That visual cue makes it easy to confirm you have the right thing selected. Before deleting, it's helpful to understand the impact. When you delete a main component, Figma removes it from the Assets panel. All existing instances of that component on your canvas will stay exactly where they are and look the same. But they'll be converted into regular groups. That means they'll lose their link back to the original component, so they won't receive updates from it anymore. And any component-specific properties won't be editable as components. This is perfect when you are sure you don't need that master relationship. But it's something to keep in mind. Once you've located the main component, click to select it. You'll see the selection highlight and the component name in the right sidebar, which is another confirmation you are working with the main component. With it selected, press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. That's all it takes. The main component disappears, it no longer appears in the Assets panel, and every instance on the canvas becomes a normal group that retains its appearance. That's it. Thanks for watching.